Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. First we need to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. In this TV, let me go to settings, then select network and internet. Here we can see this TV is connected to Wi-Fi network named FTTH-DAA1. We can also use mobile hotspot if we don't have Wi-Fi router. Then in mobile phone, let me go to settings, then select connections, then select Wi-Fi. We can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network FTTH-DAA1. Then in TV again go to settings, then select system, then select cast. In some Android or Google TV you would find Chromecast built in instead of cast, but both are same. Let me select cast, then select always. Here we need to select always. After that, in mobile phone, open Google Play Store. Then we need to install this Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. This Google Home app will search and detect TV in the same Wi-Fi network. If it's not detecting, you can just close or minimize it, then again open. You can see this time Google Home app has detected my TV. This is a TV name, Google TV. Tap on TV name. Then select cast my screen. Then select cast screen. Then tap on start now. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone, so that way we can switch display to full screen. If you want to stop this mirroring, again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.